Here is question 9. Question 9 reads, the third and the seventh terms of an exponential sequence, which is geometric progression sequence, are 9 and 1 over 9 respectively. We're asked to find the first term. There are different ways of tackling this problem. Different ways. Should I use the shortcut? Well, I think it is not necessary, but the general term, every term in the sequence can be represented by a r raised to the power of n minus 1. Every term. A stands for the first term, and that's exactly what we are looking for. R is the constant common ratio, n is the number of terms. All right. We are given the seventh, which is ahead of the third. So let me start with the seventh term. So the seventh term, T7, is equal to where n is 7, right? So it will be a r raised to the power of 6, because 7 minus 1 is 6. And this is also equal to 1 over 9 according to the question. You can see that. Then term number 3, when n is 3, we have 3 minus 1 is 2. We have a r to the power of 2 is equal to 9 according to the question. So let us divide both sides of this equation. Don't consider T7 and T3. Just pay attention to this. So a divided by a will give us 1. R to the power of 6 divided by r squared will give us r to the power of 4, right? So we have r to the power of 4. According to one of the laws of indices, 6 minus 2 is 4. And this is equal to, this divided by this is simply the same thing as this multiplied by 1 over 9. That is 1 over 9 times 1 over 9. That is 1 over 81. This is what I mean. If I have 1 over 9 divided by 9, it is the same thing as 1 over 9. Change this to multiplication. Take reciprocal of this. That will give you 1 over 81. 1 over 81, r to the power of 4 is equal to, is the same thing as 1 over 3 to the power of 4. 1 over 3 to the power of 4. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is still 1. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. So you can see if you relate, r is equal to 1 over 3. So you can use 1 over 3 in any of these two equations to find a, which is exactly what you are looking for. Let me use this one. We have a, what we are looking for, but r is 1 over 3, right? Then to the second power, this is equal to what? 9. This is 1 over 9. 1 over 9 equal to 9, right? If you want to get a, you can multiply both sides by 9, and a is equal to 81. The first term is 81, which is option A. Let's move on to question number 10.